Good morning, everybody. I am Mr. Mahesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, तीर्थंकर महावीर यूनिवर्सिटी, मुरादाबाद। आज का हमारा टॉपिक फिलोसफी ऑफ हिस्ट्री, जिसका हमें यहाँ पर इंट्रोडक्शन, उसकी नेचर और उसका स्कोप ऑफ हिस्ट्री पर डिस्कस करेंगे। जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं इसमें कि इतिहास का दर्शन, इतिहास का अर्थ और उसका महत्व, प्रकृति और उसका क्षेत्र किस तरीके से हम डिसाइड करेंगे। तो ये अगर हम देखें कि इंट्रोडक्शन की बात करें हम, तो दिस प्रेजेंटेशन एक्सप्लोर्स द फिलोसफी ऑफ हिस्ट्री, डिस्कसिंग इट्स मीनिंग, इम्पोर्टेंस, नेचर एंड स्कोप। वी विल delve into why history is studied and its relevance to understanding the present and future. This presentation will help us understand that history is not just a list of events but a deep understanding of human experience and processes that shape our society. We will see how history provides us with the tools to better understand our present and future. हिस्ट्री को जानने से पहले हम इस पर फोकस करेंगे कि आखिरकार इतिहास का ओरिजिन कहाँ से हुआ, इसको किसने किया और इसको करने के पीछे आखिरकार लॉजिक क्या था। तो अगर हम देखें कि इतिहास की उत्पत्ति, अगर उत्पत्ति की बात करें हम, तो यूरोप कंट्री में जो मेडिटेरियन सी है, तो मेडिटेरियन सी के पास ही एक रोमन एक जगह पड़ती है, जहाँ पर एक व्यक्ति जिसका नाम हेरोडोटस है। तो हेरोडोटस ने सबसे पहले एक जो हिस्टोरी का जो एक पुस्तक है, वो उन्होंने जो है ये लिखी और उसके आधार पर बताया कि हिस्ट्री हमारी किस तरीके से होगी और ये इसको कितने पार्टों में हम डिवाइड करेंगे। अगर हम पार्ट की बात करें तो हिस्ट्री को प्री हिस्ट्री, प्रोटो हिस्ट्री और हिस्ट्री में हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। अगर हम प्री हिस्ट्री की बात करें तो उसमें पैलियोलिथिक, मेसोलिथिक, न्यूलिथिक। अगर प्रोटो हिस्ट्री की बात करें तो जिसमें हमने सभी सिविलाइजेशन जैसे कि इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, इजिप्ट सिविलाइजेशन, चाइना सिविलाइजेशन और हिस्ट्री की अगर हम बात करें तो इसमें हमने इसको फर्दर 3 पार्ट में इसको डिवाइड किया है, जिसमें एंशिएंट, मिडिएवल और मॉडर्न। अगर हम देखें कि जो प्री हिस्ट्री है, तो प्री हिस्ट्री मीन्स कि जिसमें जो मानव है वो असभ्य था, अनसिविलाइज्ड जिसको हम कह सकते हैं, और खाना की दौड़ में इधर से उधर घूमता रहता था और उसके पास किसी भी तरीके का ऐसा लिखित मतलब प्रमाण नहीं मिलता है उस समय का कि जिसके आधार पर हम कह सकते हैं कि इनका टाइम पीरियड ये रहा होगा। आखिरकार अगर हम देखें कि जो प्री हिस्ट्री है कि एक ऐसा इतिहास जिसके बारे में हमें किसी भी प्रकार की लिखित प्रमाण हमारे पास नहीं है और वो पूरा जो जीवन है वो पत्थरों का यूज़ करके यानी कि स्टोन्स को यूज़ करता था और स्टोन के आधार पर ही जो है अपना जीवन यापन करता था। अगर हम प्रोटो हिस्ट्री की बात करें तो प्रोटो हिस्ट्री में क्या है कि लिखित प्रमाण है, रिटर्न में है, बट हम उसको रीड नहीं कर पाए हैं। जैसे कि इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, चाइना की सिविलाइजेशन और इजिप्ट सिविलाइजेशन, मेसोपोटामिया सिविलाइजेशन। तो इस तरीके की जो सिविलाइजेशन है जिसमें हमारे पास रिटर्न फॉर्म में कुछ रिसोर्सेज हैं, बट हम उसको जो है रीड नहीं कर पाए। और अगर हम हिस्ट्री की बात करें तो हमारे पास जब रिटर्न फॉर्म में एविडेंस मिलने लगे तो उसको हम हिस्ट्री कहने लगे और इसको हमने 3 पार्टों में डिवाइड किया, जिसमें एक हिस्ट्री यानी कि एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री, मिडिएवल हिस्ट्री और मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री। एंशिएंट, medieval and modern history. If we talk about meaning of history, so history is the study of past events, particularly in human affairs. It involves examining records, artifacts, and other sources to understand how societies culture, and civilization have evolved over time. By studying history, we can understand how decisions and events of the past have shaped and present. This study is not just about like king and wars, but also about the lives of ordinary people, their struggle, and their achievement. History is also teaches us how different culture and societies interacted and changed over time. Now, importance of studying history help us understand the present while learning from the past. It provides context for current events, teaches us about different cultures, and helps prevent repeating mistakes. For instance, understanding the failure of past economic policy can help us create better economic policy today. The study of history also help us understand the roots of our society, giving us a deeper understanding of our cultural identity and values. Furthermore, history recognizes the contribution of significant events and individuals to our society, connecting past and present. History creates a link between the past and present, showing how past events shape current liabilities. By studying history, we gain insight into how and why society change over time. For example, the events of the French Revolution have profoundly influenced democratic principles and ideas today. Similarly, the Industrial Revolution laid the foundation for the modern economy and society. History also shows us how our sector face the sole challenges, inspiring us to tackle today's challenges. Now we discuss about introduction to the philosophy of history. Ithas Darshan explore the profound questions surrounding the nature of human history and our understanding the past. Discover the insight and debate that have shaped the dynamic field of study. There are some content. The concept of historical consequence. First is defining historical consequence. Second is developing historical perspective. And third is connecting past and present. If we talk about defining historical consequence is the awareness of how the past shape the present and influence the future. It involves understanding the context and significance of the past events. If we talk about second, developing historical perspective, building historical consequence require examining diverse perspectives, recognizing basis, and contextualizing information to gain a understanding of the past, connecting and connecting past and present. Historical consequence help us make sense of the world around us by drawing connecting between historical events and contemporary issues, informing our decision and action. There are three theories. First is determinism, second is voluntarism, and third is dialectical materialism. If we talk about determinism, the view that historical events are caused by external imperson forces. Voluntarism We believe that human agencies and individual choices drive historical changes. And third one is the Marxist theory of history as the conflict of economic and social forces. Connecting past and present. History create a link between the past and present, showing how past events shape current liabilities. By studying history, we gain insight into how and why society change over time. It means कि हम अगर देखें कि आज के समय का जो व्यक्ति है वो पिछले समय से किस तरीके से अपने आप को कनेक्ट करेगा और अपने जो जीवन है वो किस तरीके से अपना जीवन यापन करेगा, तो उसके बारे में बता रखा है कि किस तरीके से हिस्ट्री के थ्रू हम पास्ट और प्रेजेंट को जो है एक साथ देखते हैं. Now, for example, the events of the French Revolution have profound influenced democratic principles and ideas today. Similarly, the Industrial Revolution laid the foundation for the modern economy and society. History also shows us how our sector face and solve challenges, inspiring us to tackle today's challenges. Learning from mistakes. One of the key benefits of studying history is learning from past mistakes. कि जैसे कि कुछ इतिहासकार जिन्होंने अध्ययन किया वह बताते हैं कि कैसे कैसे हमारे यहाँ ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट हुआ और उन्होंने किस तरीके से लर्निंग फ्रॉम मिस्टेक्स किया. वाई अंडरस्टैंडिंग what went wrong in past, we can make better decision in the present and future. For instance, studying of causes of World War II help us identify factors that lead to large scale conflicts and avoid repeating them. Additionally, history teaches us how mistakes were corrected and improvement made. For example, studying past health crises helps us manage today pandemic better. Understanding cultures. First of all, I would like to say that civilization and culture. What is the difference between civilization and culture? अगर हम बात करें सिविलाइजेशन की तो सिविलाइजेशन मतलब सभ्यता कि समय के अनुसार जितना भी व्यक्ति के जीवन में रहन सहन में परिवर्तन आ रहा है तो उसको हम सिविलाइजेशन कहते हैं, यानी कि सभ्यता कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि अगर हम देखें हमारे जो पूर्वज हैं वो कभी नदियों से पानी पीते थे, फिर तालाबों से पानी पीते थे और फिर जो है कुओं से पानी पीने लगे, फिर नल से, और अब जो स्थिति ऐसी आ गई है कि हम बोतल से पानी पीने लगे. तो ये क्या है कि समय के अनुसार जब हम टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में तो उससे जो परिवर्तन होने दिख रहा है उसको हम सिविलाइजेशन कहते हैं. अगर हम बात करें understanding cultures, history provides a window into different cultures, traditions, and ways of life. It helps us appreciate diversity and understanding roots of various cultural practices. For example, studying ancient Indian, Chinese, and Greek cultures help us understand how these societies develop and how their practices and beliefs are still relevant today. History also shows how culture exchange enrich society and how they learn from each other. This helps us develop a sense of global citizenship and respect for cultural diversity. Development of critical thinking. Studying history enhance critical thinking skills. It encourages analyzing various sources, understanding different perspectives, and forming well-rounded consequence. For instance, when studying a historical events, we need to gather information from different sources and understand the perspective and biases of each sources. This develops our analytical abilities and enables us to make more informed and balanced decisions. Studying history also teaches us how to establish connection between different events and understand them in a broader context. If we talk about shaping identities, the history plays a crucial role in shaping national and cultural identities. It helps individuals understand their heritage and their historical forces that have shaped their communities. For example, studying the Indian independence struggle helps Indian understand the struggle and sacrifice made for freedom, strengthening their national identity. Similar understanding the history of particular community or caste help us appreciate their unique identity and culture significance. These helps us content with our roots and respect our culture heritage. Importance in education. History is a fundamental part of education, fostering an informed and engaged citizenry. It provides students with the tools to understand their world and make informed decisions. For instance, by studying various historical events and processes, student can understand how society changed and how policies and decisions affect social development. Moreover, studying history development moral values in student, such as the pursuit of truth, the importance of justice, and respect for humanities. These help them become responsible and aware citizens. Careers in history. Knowledge of history can lead to careers in education, research, museum curation, and more. It opens up opportunities in various fields that values analytical and research skills. For instance, as a historian, you can teach at universities, conduct historical research, or work in museum and archives. Additionally, studying history can provide career opportunities in journalism, the legal field, public policy, and even film and media. It also strengthens our analytical thinking, research skill, and clear writing abilities. They are the three role of the individual in history: great leaders, influential thinkers, ordinary agents of change. If we talk about historical method, the historical method involves critical examination of sources, interpretation of evidence, and synthesis of information to create coherent negative about the past. For instance, when studying a historical events, a historian must use various types of source, such as documents, letters, pictures, and oral accounts. After analyzing the evaluating these sources, the historians must draw consequence conclusion and present them in a coherent and logical story. This process not only relevant historical facts but also help understand the reasons and impacts behind events.